Hi everyone, I am Mohit and you're watching ATM All Things Mohit. Today I have with me the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Well, Ring has so many video doorbells out there, it becomes difficult to keep track of it. Ring came up with the original doorbell, it was called Doorbot back then. They reframed or recoined their name or rebranded their name to Ring, which was bought by Amazon. So right now they have many doorbells out there. The Doorbell 2, which is the previous generation, Doorbell 3, Doorbell 3 Plus, Doorbell 3 Elite, and the one I have today is the Doorbell Pro. So why I wait for this is I wanted a sleek doorbell because that's the one that would fit onto my door frame, and this one is the sleekest out there. The important thing to know about this one is a hardwired doorbell. So the other ones, if you want to have just the battery, it will still work. But for this one to work, you do need to hardwire it to the power. And the thing with this one is that you would need a 16 to 24 volt connection or transformer to hardwire it into. So a lot of new homes built in the last decade or so come with that kind of connection. But if you have an older connection or older house, you might need to update the transformer. So let's open this one and see what's inside, and then I'll install it later. So let's see. Okay, there are stickers on both sides which I need to peel. Let me move this out of here. I will slide it out and just keep it here. And yes, it's an easy tap, but I need to pull out. Oh, this one is sleeker than I thought. So what you have is some Ring paperwork in here, standard for all the devices. It says say hello to Ring. I have some of these devices. And what you also have is one doorbell camera, and it comes with four faceplates. So the faceplates are useful if the color schema of your house is something that you want a different color faceplate, then you can use it. I think this would fit in well with the frame I'm talking about because this is pretty sleek. I'll just take out the other faceplates as well so that you can have a look on what colors it comes with. Let's see what else is in here. So it has some installation instructions, more tips. And let me just do this. It will be simpler to get it out this way. I'll keep it on the side. It comes with installation tools, so I think this is pretty important. I don't have to run and look for things. And these are the mounts that I would need to place on the wall. And then I would move this aside. So while I'm opening this and I'm checking it out what kind of tools it comes with, the important thing to know about this doorbell is that it comes with HD video, two-way talk, infrared night vision, and customizable motion zones. If you want to monitor the videos recorded over the past 60 days, then Ring does come up with a $3 per month plan or $30 per year, wherein you get access to the videos recorded for up to 60 days. And that's pretty useful if you are looking to, oh, I should be careful about it, if you are looking to keep the video recordings with you. However, if you do have the $10 a month or $100 a month Ring Protect Plus plan because you have the Ring security system, that would cover all the video cameras and doorbells located in the same address. So that's a very good option. So if you have the plethora of devices that Ring has, like the alarm, the doorbell, which we are currently looking at, and the security cameras, I would encourage you to check out the Protect Plus plan, because what it does is it gives you monitoring and professional monitoring. It gives you like 60 days of video recording and cellular backup for your home security system as well. So I opened this up because I wanted to show you a few things. So this is a Pro Power Kit. This would go along with the doorbell, wherein the sound or chime, whatever it makes. So you have to install it there. So it just makes it simpler for you to control the notifications that you are getting. Not too sure what this is. I'm pretty sure this is to mount the brackets out there on the door. And an interesting thing about this one is it is giving you a drill and also the screw drivers. So in case you don't have the right components with you, you don't have to rush to a hardware store to go get it. You should be able to do it all using this particular kit. So I am looking forward to installing it, and I think this would work great with the setup I have. I already have a few security cameras. I just set up the Ring alarm system, and this would be a nice addition to the devices that I am looking to add to my home. Ring also works with the Z-Wave enabled devices, so I believe having this all with the other smart home devices that I have, it's going to become an interesting setup. So leave your comments and feedback to this video, and if you have any questions about installation or anything else, I would look forward to answering them because I'm just going to go install this now. And in case you want me to review any other products or have questions about any of the gadgets out there in the market, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe ATM All Things Mohit. Thank you again.